Welcome, in front of me is a Realme 6S, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. And to get started, let's pull down the notification panel and find the toggle, which I believe it's on the second page, and it's right over here. It's the moon icon. So before you actually tap on it, you will want to hold this and it will take us to the settings where you can customize how it works. So number one, at the top we have the schedule. And we can set a schedule based on it, so it will turn on and off automatically. So we can do that. Now I'm doing it as an example. This is completely optional if you want to set it up or not. Just a different way of interacting with the Do Not Disturb mode. So as you can see, once you tap on it, let's set a name. Then we have start time, so you can set a specific time that will start. Then end time. So again, set whatever end time you want. And then repeat. Once you tap on that, it gives you all the days of the week. So you can select whichever day of the week you don't want it to work in. So as an example, if you wanted something like a work scheduled one, you could disable Saturday and Sunday. And it will be turning on automatically from Monday to Friday. Tap on OK, tap on done, and it automatically becomes enabled, as you can see, checked right here. So if you want to disable it later on, you will have to go back to here, which is, again, I'm gonna quickly show by holding the Not Disturb mode, schedule, and then you can check it off right here. So this will, in terms, now allow you to not care about the Not Disturb mode. Will now turn on and off automatically. Now going back, we have a silence media when in Do Not Disturb. So it will silence stuff like ringtones, touch sounds, whatever it is that you have normally would make noise will be now muted. And then you have also exceptions, which affects how the Do Not Disturb mode actually works. So you have allow notification types. You can check here and change the notification types, so you can remove banners and any kind of pop-ups from showing up. Then you have messages and calls. Both of them have the same settings, so I'm gonna go over only one. So when you tap on it, you have allow calls and messages from anyone, contacts, favorite contacts, or deny all. And you can choose separately for both of them. And also, as an example, if you choose for calls that it denies everyone and Do Not Disturb mode, you still have the option right here to ring for repeated callers. And if you enable this and someone calls you twice within a 3-minute period, they will be able to reach you the second time around. Now this is a good option for emergency. Usually people call multiple times within a really quick succession, so this will allow them to reach you no matter if they're being denied from actually being able to reach you. And from there, once all of this is set, you can basically leave it and never come back here again. And apart from it working automatically based on the schedule, you can still tap on it yourself whenever you want, as you can see, to enable and disable it. So that is how you would enable and also set up the Do Not Disturb mode. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.